So that's my personal information, and it's a table of content. Then, so let's begin. Samuel Richardson. First, we start from the author of Pamela. So, Samuel Richardson, which born in 1689 in Derbyshire, England. He also died in 1761. Samuel Richardson was a prominent novelist. He was also a printer and a publisher. He is considered one of the pioneers of the modern novel. Richardson is best known for his three major novels. First, it's Pamela or Virtue Rewarded, which published in 1740. It's also represent the we can say theme of virtue and uh, love and freedom, personal freedom also. Then second is a Clarissa or the History of Young Lady, which published in I think 1748. And then third is the History of Sir Charles Grandison. It's three major novel, and Richardson also best known for this. And literary significance. He was one of the first author to focus on the psychological depth and inner lives of characters. Innovated the epistolary format using letters to develop plot and character. Then overview of Pamela. So its author name is Samuel Richardson. We also discussed that, and it's a published in 1740. It's a genre is a epistolary novel. We also know that epistolary form it's the that means novel is written in letter form. It's a setting from the England in the 18th century. Plot summary: Pamela followed the story of a young servant girl, Pamela Andrews, who faced repeated attempts by her wealthy employers, Mr. B, to seduce her. Through her steadfast virtue and resistance, Pamela eventually reformed Mr. B, loading to his genius love and their marriage. It's present the theme of virtue and morality, power and dynamics between gender and classes, social mobility and merit, and last is the religion and divine providence. So we discuss our major content. It's a major theme of Pamela novel. So first is virtue and morality. So virtue and morality is we can say central theme of the Pamela. In this story, Pamela is a servant girl, and she is a youngest servant in this story, which described as the example of a very strongness character, and she also faced many we can say many problems faced in this story, and especially when his rich employees Mr. B is try to take advantage for her, but she never compromised with her principle and virtue. And we also know that after in the story, in the end of story, Mr. B also changed due to Pamela. So its a theme is describe the love, strongness, kind, and honesty. So the central theme of the novel is emphasizing Pamela's unwavering commitment to her virtue despite challenges. Highlights the moral message that virtue will ultimately be rewarded. It highlights the belief that maintaining of one's virtue and morality leads to ultimate rewarded and success. Pamela's preservance not only protect her dignity, but also transform Mr. B into a better person. Then second is power and gender dynamics. It's also a very important theme in this story, because uh, we also know that Pamela is a very strugglers girl in this story, which describe a sensitivity of human in the patriarchy society. Explore the imbalance of power between men and women, especially in employer servant relationships. relationship. It's a describer a relationship between Mr. B and Pamela. Pamela's resistance serves as a critique of male dominance and exploration. Pamela's story serves as a critique of male dominance and exploration. Through her actions, the novel questions the social structures that allow men to misuse their power. Third is the social mobility. So, this theme is described that a person can rise in their class through virtue and morality. And it's also we know that Pamela is a servant. It's very poor, and Mr. B is a reachable person, and he also very wealthy. But they both marriage with each other. So it's changing is described the 18th century view demonstrates the possibility of rising above one's social class through personal merit and morality. Pamela's marriage to Mr. B symbolized a shift in class attitudes. Through Pamela's story, the novel sends a powerful message that social mobility is achievable when individuals stay true to their principle and demonstrate their worth through actions. Then next is the religion and providence. It's also very important because we also know that Pamela is a belief in God. Pamela often depended on God, and he believed that he trusted on God that God will protect her virtue and rewarded also. And many times is a we can say some decision is put on the God. Pamela frankly attributed her strength and success to divine guidance, reflecting the novel's emphasizing on faith and moral righteousness. So, Pamela also believed that my power and success is a come from God guidance. The moral message of Pamela is that virtue, honesty, and perseverance lead to success and respect. It teaches that staying true to one's principles can overcome challenges and even inspire change in others. And last one is the class and virtue. So it's also a very important theme in the, and it's also central because we also know that Pamela is very poor, and Mr. B is a very reachable person, and but his virtue is very different. Pamela is a poor servant, but he also stay on the his virtue, and his behavior also good. But it's a second side of. We can see that Mr. B's behavior is very immorally. He also wealthy, but his behavior is immorally. So it's a contrast is a highlight that it's a contrast is also highlight that a man we can found a goodness in person of any class. It's not matter on the wellness. Contrast the various Pamela, a servant with the entirely immoral action of her upper class employer, suggesting that virtue transcend class boundaries. This theme contribute to the novel's moral and social commentary, making it a cornerstone of early English literature. So it's a we can say his theme also highlight the inequality and morality of from this novel, and suggest the stay on the virtue, and this say that virtue is very important rather than uh, um, uh, our wellness and our behavior, and our class also. And last is conclusion. Pamela Virtue Rewarded is a landmark in English literature, celebrated for its exploration of morality, gender dynamics, and social mobility. Through the story of Pamela Andrew, Samuel Richardson emphasized the triumph of virtue and the transformative power of moral integrity. The novel not only critiques social power structures but also highlights the potential for individual to rise above their circumstances through resilience and faith. It's a innovative epistolary style and psychological depth solidify its place as a foundational work of the modern novel. So that's my references, and thank you. Have any questions? So please ask me.
So you're still making the mistake in asking question.
Oh yes, I have to mention at the rate. Which other novel by Samuel Richardson shares theme and similarities with Pamela? One novel is we can similarize with Pamela. His name is Clarissa, the history of a young lady. It's published in 1748. It's describe many theme like epistolary. We can similarize the epistolary form, then power dynamics and moral dilemmas. It's also very similar, both of novel. Anyone?
So my question is, which themes are reflected in Richardson's work?
Okay. Richardson is when he write a work for that time, it's right on theme of we can say gender, class, virtue, and morality. So that's from my side. Thank you so much.